Hi, this is Chef Claudia, and I'm so excited to share this recipe for a traditional ceviche with a tropical twist. Of course, because it's featuring my favorite fruit, a pineapple. And of course, we couldn't help but throw in a little dash of Tajin. Let's get started. Here's a really great tip to figuring out whether your shrimp is cooked. Here is an example of a raw shrimp. It is still gray and very much transparent, whereas if you compare it to the shrimp that's already been in that lime juice, it's more white and opaque. And well, ready for the rest of our ingredients. Let's go. I hope you enjoyed this tropical take on a traditional ceviche. I can't wait for you to try it. I'm sure it's going to become a fan favorite in your family too. And if you need more recipes like this, make sure you visit us on tajin.com. See you there.